If you live in Sugar Land, you already know how challenging the Texas climate can be. Long, hot summers, high humidity, and sudden temperature shifts put constant pressure on your home's cooling system. One often overlooked solution for improving comfort and lowering energy bills is patio door replacement. Modern patio doors are designed with advanced energy-efficient features that can make a noticeable difference in how your home performs year-round. Older patio doors. A hidden energy drain. Many homes in Sugar Land still have older sliding or French patio doors that were installed decades ago. These doors often lack proper insulation, tight seals, and energy-efficient glass. Over time, frames can warp, weather stripping can crack, and gaps can form around the edges. This allows hot outdoor air to seep inside while cool air escapes, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime. Even if the door still looks fine, it may be silently driving up your monthly energy costs. Modern glass technology reduces heat transfer. One of the biggest advantages of replacing your patio door is access to modern glass technology. New patio doors typically feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gas sealed between the panes. This design dramatically reduces heat transfer, keeping outdoor heat where it belongs, outside. Many energy-efficient patio doors also include low-E, low emissivity coatings, which reflect solar heat while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. In Sugar Land's sunny climate, this can significantly reduce indoor heat buildup without sacrificing views or daylight. Better frames mean better insulation. Energy efficiency isn't just about the glass. Today's patio door frames are engineered for performance. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and insulated aluminum provide much better thermal resistance than older wood or metal frames. These modern frames help prevent heat from transferring through the door itself, maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature. As a result, your home stays cooler during peak summer months, and your HVAC system doesn't have to cycle as often. Tighter seals eliminate air leaks. A professional patio door replacement ensures a precise fit and airtight seals. New weather stripping and advanced locking mechanisms create a tight barrier against drafts and moisture. This is especially important in Sugar Land, where humidity can quickly make your home feel uncomfortable if warm air sneaks inside. By eliminating air leaks, your cooling system operates more efficiently, which can lead to lower energy bills and less wear and tear on your HVAC equipment. Improved comfort throughout your home. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. New patio doors help eliminate hot spots near the door area, reduce indoor humidity fluctuations, and create a more stable indoor environment. You may notice fewer temperature swings between rooms, quieter interiors thanks to improved insulation, and a more enjoyable living space overall. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or hosting guests, a well-insulated patio door makes a noticeable difference. Long-term savings and added home value. While patio door replacement is an investment, it often pays for itself over time through reduced energy costs. Many homeowners in Sugar Land see lower cooling bills almost immediately after upgrading to energy-efficient doors. In addition, modern patio doors enhance curb appeal and resale value. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for today's buyers, especially in Texas, where utility costs are a top concern. A smart upgrade for Sugar Land homes. Replacing your patio door is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency without a full renovation. With advanced glass, insulated frames, and professional installation, a new patio door helps keep your Sugar Land home cooler, more comfortable, and more cost-effective to maintain. If you're looking for a practical upgrade that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits, patio door replacement is a smart step toward a more energy-efficient home.